So you protect yourself from the evil eye with the cat eye. Hello and welcome back to the channel. So today's conversation is about how to protect yourself from the evil eye, or basically evil eye protection. Okay. So before we begin the conversation, I just have to say that this conversation is not for people with short attention span. So if you're having short attention span, then click off and come back later. Okay. So let's begin because advising, this all ties in the end. Okay. So now, why this conversation? Well, because there's a lot of people who believe that the evil eye exists, and some people who don't believe it exists. And of course, there are the people who don't care whether it exists or not. So I am all those people. Okay. And yes. So, what about like ways to protect yourself from the evil eye? Well, first, the first way I'm going to explain is the heart-centered way, or the heart method, the heart space method, and of course of course I also have the heart. Wait, I said heart already. Yes, and I have the cat eye method. So yes, those are the two ways or methods that I'm going to be explaining. So the first one is the heart-centered method. And what is that? Well, it's when you look at yourself and you remember that you are higher than the evil eye. You are um, beyond the evil eye. You are above the evil eye. So whether it exists or not, it doesn't matter because you are higher than it. So, what you should do is you should love yourself so much. You should have this intense love for yourself. So that way, the hate gets knocked off from the evil eye, or the hate just gets knocked down because your intense love for yourself will just push it push the hate away. Okay, because you should think of yourself, you should think highly of yourself. Okay, because when you think highly of yourself, the evil eye won't be able to handle it because you'll put yourself up there. And because you're thinking highly of yourself, you're up there. Of course, some people will want to lower you. They will want to bring you down so they can reach you because you're high, you're up there. They want to bring you down so they can reach you. So it's easier to reach you. But really, you have to be emotionally and mentally prepared. Okay. So, this is why when you have this intense love for yourself, there will be people who will think that you are conceited, or you are a narcissist, really. But um, you should not care because really nowadays everybody thinks everybody is a narcissist. They even think like objects are narcissists. They even think animals are narcissists because they would probably think that a cat is a narcissist, okay? Because cats think highly of themselves. Cats do not need outside validation. Cats validate themselves, they self validate. So, what you should remember is to have this intense obsession with yourself. You should be so obsessed with yourself so intensely that the evil eye cannot handle it. Okay. So vibrate on that love you have for yourself. So that way the evil eye, has a hard time to even approach you. Okay. So that's what you should do to protect yourself from the evil eye. You should be more heart centered. Okay. So, yes. So, now what is the second method? Well, the second method is the cat eye method. And what is the cat eye? First, why the cat eye? Well, because there's something about cats. There's cats are majestic, okay? Cats are energetically just beautiful. They are helpful when they want to be, of course. And one thing you must remember about cats is that cats are helpful and they draw out negative energy, and they can draw out, well, they can also draw in positive energy depending on what you're looking for. Okay. And there's something about cats, they are in their own world. Okay, they live in their own world. Cats do not want to do tricks for you. Cats do not want to impress you. Cats don't want to be bothered. And of course, cats are, you've heard of the phrase, it's like herding cats. Well, cats don't want to be herded. Cats don't want to be herded. They want to be left alone. So, of course, cats don't need validation. Okay, outside validation, they self validate. So, of course, a cat will see things that the human eye cannot see. So, this is why the cat eye will help keep the evil eye away. Okay. And one thing about cats is that cats think highly of themselves. And I think about the joke where the cat and the two other animals went to heaven, and God asked the two other animals, what do they believe in? Right. And then they told God what they believed in. And they, of course, impressed God. And God um, had them sit one to his right and one to his left. And of course, when God got to the cat and God asked the cat, what do you believe in? And the cat says, I believe that you are sitting in my seat. So, of course, that's where it ends. But of course, God has a twisted sense of humor. God probably was dying laughing, thinking, well, yes, that's how I created the cat. That's how I designed the cat. Okay. So, this is why cats are good at drawing out negative energy and good at drawing in positive energy, and they can see what the human eye cannot see. So this is why cats keep the evil eye away. Okay. And yes, and the evil eye will probably be hateful. So, of course, you have to remember to, of course, love yourself intensely. In the way cats can be aloof. Cats, meaning they are kind of, indifferent, they are emotionally reserved. They are just don't care. If they want to give you attention, they will give you attention when they feel like it, and they won't give you attention when they don't feel like it. So those are cats. So now I have the cat eye on right now. And there have been some famous people who have done the cat eye, and they probably just did the cat eye for the look of it, but I just like the cat eye method to keep the evil eye away. So I'm going to show you like some images of some famous people who have done the cat eye. Now, the cat eye that I like is the bold look, the intense look, the extreme that is just like obvious. It's there and it keeps the evil eye away. And even if I'm not doing wearing the cat eye, um, I can always go to the heart centered method where you love yourself so intensely, you're obsessed with yourself that the evil eye wants to stay away. It keeps the evil eye away, and the evil eye just can't handle all the love you have for yourself. And of course, there's the cat I method. Okay. So I think I'll end it here. That's all I had to say without saying too much. I hope you've been inspired by this conversation. So be inspired. Bye.